students, in previous video we saw the properties of parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. Today we will see the another type of quadrilateral, that is your trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. It means, as we know student, in a quadrilateral there are four sides and two pairs of opposite sides. If in any quadrilateral one pair of opposite sides is parallel, that type of quadrilateral is called your trapezium. Look at this diagram. In all this diagram, suppose this one is your quadrilateral A, B, C, D. As you can see here student, this side AB is parallel to BC. Only one pair of opposite side is parallel to each other. And when we extend this AB side and DC side, again they can meet in any point. So in this particular quadrilateral only one pair of opposite side is parallel. So this is a trapezium. All these figures are your trapezium. Why? In all this diagram one pair of opposite side is parallel. In this diagram this opposite side is parallel to this side. In this diagram these two lines are parallel to each other, and this one is your a parallelogram. It means parallelogram is also a trapezium, because in this parallelogram both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. And look at this diagrams also student. This is, in this diagram no pair of opposite side is parallel to each other, and in this diagram also. So these are not your trapezium. So what you have to remember? You have to remember only one point. It means in any quadrilateral a pair of parallel side, it means that quadrilateral will be a trapezium, otherwise not. Another type of quadrilateral is your kite. Kite is a special quadrilateral student. As you can see in this diagram, this is a kite. A, B, C, D is a kite, where you can see that this side AB is equal to AD and this side BC is equal to DC. It means in a kite has four sides, as you can see in this diagram, and there are exactly two distinct consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. What is the meaning of this student? Distinct, it means different. Consecutive, it means one after another pairs. It means this AB side will equal to AD and BC side will equal to CD. So student, what property a kite is having? As you can see, consecutive pairs of sides are equal. For sides, what we can write here, AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC. Consecutive pairs of sides are equal length. What about angles? When you draw a kite in your copy student, and when you measure all these angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, you find that one pair of opposite angles, it means angle B will equal to angle D, but angle A is not equal to angle C. So what we will get? Only one pair of opposite angles. It means angle B will equals to angle D. And what is the relationship between its diagonals? Let's check. For that, first we will join diagonal AC and then diagonal BC. As you can see here student, this diagonal BD is smaller than this diagonal AC, and intersection point is your O. And you can see also here, this point O is dividing this BT into two equal parts. It means only one diagonal bisect. Okay. One diagonal will bisect. Will bisect. And what about these angles? When you measure this angle, student, you will get all these angle will equals to 90 degree. It means diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Why we cannot use here bisect word, student? Because only one diagonal is bisecting, so we cannot use here bisect word. We will use diagonals intersect at 90 degree. These are the few important properties of this kite. A kite has 4 sides and 2 consecutive pairs of sides are equal length. And what about angles? One pair of opposite angles will equal. And what about diagonals? One diagonal will bisect and diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Hope now you have understood all types of quadrilateral and their properties. Thank you, students.